So I'm finally back in California, getting ready to set up my studio that sits out over lagoon and my own private little garden. I've transformed my meditation space. It needs to come up a little bit on the right. Oh, I love it. Look at that.
Is it okay now?
Oh, look at that. I love it. My sign is off. And I just got this, everything in my studio now is on wheels, so it's easy for me to move around. I just finished burning a canvas. Hello. Here's my man. He put up all my lights for me. And
What do you
helped
think,
me
babe?
get my table. Huh?
Is it good? Are you happy?
Oh, yeah.
When did that get painted?
I just did it. Wow, so functional. It's so important to have a nice organized studio. I know sometimes it gets messy because artists are creative and they need to throw things around to just keep focusing. But look where I can be to create magic like this. And also when I sit at my desk, I look out over the most beautiful lagoon and it's so peaceful. I have all my supplies right at my fingertips, organized, ready to use whenever I am inspired, which is quite often lately. So make sure that you do let your intuition lead you to magic in your life.